Hi, I am Vasant of class 7.
Hi, I am Sairam of class 730 here to represent our project that is an automatic fire extinguisher.
An automatic fire extinguisher is a system which detects fire in an area or a building without an human intervention. It continuously monitors our environment, it automatically detects the fire, and it helps to inform the fire services.
It can be placed in many places like schools, colleges, malls, fire factories, etc. By automatically detecting is used to reduce some destructions like reduce property damages. Thank you.